In this video, we will learn how to write the Hiragana character Ma. Ma is 3 strokes. The first stroke begins with your brush pointed to the left, coming across to the right, making a line that slightly arches upwards. The second stroke comes across as well with a curve slightly down. The third stroke is a line straight down between the two. The third stroke is a line straight down the middle. As you reach the bottom, you finish the character with a triangle shape that curves around and finishes the character.